What's up, Carter Fair? It's your girl Ratchet back in with another day for you guys. It's been a month, and me and my baby brother decided to do a little prank on my little brother, side. Yeah, I'm going to be doing a prank on him. Me and the baby are going to be doing a prank on him. If you don't know who this is Tyrese, my baby brother. Say hi, Tyrese. Say hi. He doesn't want to say hi. He's too shy. I'm going to be doing a prank on my brother. So let's get into it. I think my brother that's eavesdropping. Let's get into it, guys. I already got my look, He barely know what Ratchet means, bro. I'm reacting Ratchet and Laurie being mean, so we're gonna be setting the camera up in his room, and I'm gonna bring the baby with me, and yeah. But Saya, this baby right here, this baby, our baby brother, right? Why are you speaking like this? Because you know how the girls be in the hood. You have to talk like this. What do you mean? It's my baby daddy. You better have a good hair. Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? You need to go somewhere. Just took my baby to my baby daddy, and no, I'm not finished with you. I'm not finished. What do you think? Who do you think you are? I don't get out of my face. Listen, you are my uncle. You are my brother. What? I feel some type of tension between us. I always be playing, then I ain't playing. Nobody's playing. Wait. I need to get my baby daddy a campus for my baby. I'm not feeling this. You are supposed to be my baby's uncle. My nail hurt. He hurt my nail. I was trying to keep this video going. Maybe we should twist it up a little bit. I'ma just keep it going. I'm not gonna tell him it was a prank now. I'm gonna just add another prank to the mix. So I have to think of another prank. Be mean to him and see how he show y'all how he react when I be mean to him any other time. Y'all saw the title. Let's go. I will really smack you. Oh, no, because you always tell him. Why you always gotta tell or stuff? And you get mad at me if I tell you. It don't make no sense. And then I just want to hit you so bad. But who you calling bro? I said bro. No, still. I was as tall as the tree. Come on. I'm not playing. You really think I'm playing. I really was smacking. Come on. Oh. You're my nerve because I really was smacking you, little boy. You don't know who you fighting because I really was smacking. I smacked you plenty of times. I can do it again. Over and over again. Okay? Okay? I'm not playing. I smacked you. Who do you think you is? Who do you think you is? I'm smacking you. That's why you get no girls. You really is. Look, you got my face. No, you're mad. You're mad. You're mad. Man, I'm 30. I'm 30. I think I'm not 20. I don't get you. I really don't get you. Okay? Cry all you want. I don't care. Every time we fight, you cry because I hit you too hard. That's facts. And you just got exposed. Because it's a prank. I was trying to act ratchet at the beginning, but you kept running away from me. But This is like me being mean to you. Like, how you feel? Tell Kyle how you feel. Yeah, he mad. He never do pranks with me because he can't edit videos. He don't know how to make videos properly. Prank queen. At the end of the day, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, turn that post notification bell so you get every video that we make. And without further ado, peace, because at this minute, I'm about to eat. Bye.
So I didn't hit that layup. Shawty ain't with them games, yeah. Shawty gon' get that paper, pay her. I've been trying not to go off the